Hello and welcome to this presentation about Finnish legislative tracker. Public authorities make a lot of information available in various formats through website portals and so on, but the information is often buried deep inside those portals, and it is in legal language that is hard for people to understand. There used to be a kind of a rich media ecosystem that was digging up information from these sources, but there's been a lot of media cutbacks, and those efforts have been reduced quite a lot. And nowadays there's a lot of disinformation also available in social media that is becoming the main source of information for people. So how could we kind of improve the situation? Well, one idea would be to create an agent that follows all this information automatically for yourself and makes human readable or human language summaries what is happening on the public side. There's a lot of opportunities or data sources. For example, what the Parliament eduskunta is doing, bills, what type of questions and discussions are ongoing there. Then there's Finlex for new laws, there's Tilastokeskus for statistics, there is other sources for municipal information. So as a first step or first trial I selected this Finlex for new law changes. This is what it looks like. They have a public API that you can access without registering, and the data is in a little bit complex format, but luckily with vibe coding, computers took care of kind of parsing that one. The key features here are that it makes summaries, not legal language. There is both a user interface, so you can see and test what it looks like, and then you can put it running in agent mode, for example, once a day, once a week, or once a month for yourself. And then it presents ground truth, so you can also click and go and see what the original source is saying about the topic. Don't just trust what the computer says. The core architecture is that we pull the Finlex API, we use Gemini 2.0 for this summarization, and then there's this SQLite little database where we store old information, and we can also track what type of changes are happening in various scans, between various scans. Stack is Python and Gemini API, SQLite and Streamlit frontend. This is kind of how you access. It's kind of in Finnish language, which might be a little difficult, but maybe you can grab what is happening there. This red button is for scanning in real time this Finlex API. It is, this is publicly available, this website, but if you want to scan it, you need to give the scan code. It's kind of a simple protection against random people from the internet of doing denial of service and kind of pressing the scan button repeatedly to saturate the. And this is what it looks like. I already added the scan code, so I can scan changes. Now it goes to the Finlex API, fetches any potential changes. There won't be any because this is Sunday when I'm recording this one. Here we see there's like summaries of what the laws that have been now kind of taken into effect. I can always link back to the original source in eduskunta or Parliament to read more about the case. So that's all there is.